Today I'll show you how to get it installed on Windows and how to start using it right away. Let's go. First, let's download Whispr Flow. Go to whisperflow.ai in your browser and click Download for Windows. Alternatively, you can find it by searching Whispr Flow in the Microsoft Store. Either way works. Once the file downloads, double-click it to run the installer. It's a quick, straightforward install. Just follow the on-screen steps and it'll be done in under a minute. Once it's installed, it will automatically launch. When Whispr Flow opens, go ahead and sign in or create a free account. Click Open Whispr Flow, then click on Open Whispr Flow. If you just created your account, Flow will walk you through a quick onboarding. It'll show you how it works and ask you to select your role, like whether you're a writer, a developer, a business professional, and so on. This helps it personalize how it formats your text. Once you're through the setup, Whispr Flow runs quietly in the background. You'll see its icon down here in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Before you start dictating, make sure Whispr Flow has microphone access. Windows may prompt you for this automatically. If it does, click Allow. If it doesn't come up, just go to Settings and in General tab, you will see Microphone and make sure select Correct Microphone. This is what lets it hear you. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. Open any app. I'm going to use Gmail as an example. Click into the text area so your cursor is there, then hold down the Control plus Windows key. That's your default dictation hotkey on Windows. While you're holding it, just start talking. I'll say something like, "Hey, just wanted to follow up on the project update. Can we schedule a quick call sometime this week? Let me know what works for you." And when I release the key, watch this. It pastes clean, perfectly formatted text right into the email. No ums, no missed punctuation, no cleanup needed. That's it. That's the whole workflow. One more thing, if you're writing something long and don't want to hold a key down the whole time, there's a hands-free mode. Just press Ctrl plus Windows plus spacebar to turn it on. Flow will keep listening until you click this stop button. Perfect for drafting long emails, documents, or brain dumps where you just want to talk it out. And that's Whispr Flow on Windows. Download it, install it, grant mic access, and just hold Ctrl plus Windows to start talking in any app on your computer. It works in Gmail, Notion, Slack, Word, Chrome. Literally anywhere you can type, you can now just speak instead. It's free to start with 2,000 words a week, so there's no reason not to try it. If you want unlimited dictation, the Pro plan is $12 a month. Give it a try and let me know in the comments what app you're going to use it in first. Hit like and subscribe for more tools like this. I'll see you in the next one.